New data released by the CDC shows the number of children women are having has decreased for a second year in a row. The record level decline last year is leading to fears there may not be enough children to sustain the next generation.
I mean, again, I'm not just making assumptions or giving my opinion. I'm talking about statistics. I mean, if you look just 20 to 50 years ago, how united families were, the structure of the families, the way they raised children, the birth rate, everything. It is completely different to how it happens nowadays. I mean, in recent years, the Western world, the Western system, has normalized for both parents to work full-time, both the husband and the wife. And they did this through feminist movements, raising prices, making it literally impossible to even pay the bills for a regular family if there was just one person working. And you know, it's all beautiful. It all sounds like an amazing plan. And I mean, I believe there's nothing wrong with women working and building on their careers. But again, let's look at the statistics. Families are divided. Children are not being fully raised by their parents anymore because parents are both working full-time. They are tired when they get home. And you see it happening in the divorce rates as well. Just 100 years ago, every marriage had an average of 3 to 4 children, while nowadays it's only 1.2 kids on average per household. You see how it is declining? And I mean, of course, career is beautiful, it's important. But at the end of your life, what is more beautiful than a loving house full of children, an amazing family? We all fall into this trap, while the West is only making us work more, buy more, consume more. And here, do I even need to say it? I mean, Islam, the complete opposite. Islam honors mothers and families in general. It is the answer to a healthy marriage. It provides the guidelines, the instructions, the roles, the responsibilities, and the rights of both men and women, the attention that you need to give to your children, the way you need to raise them. And that provides stable households, connected families. But again, that's not good for the Western system, because divided families, they are easier to control. They are easier to manipulate, also from a marketing and psychological perspective. Once again, it makes them buy more, do more, and it's easier to control them. You know, this is what I'm talking about. During my research process, the deeper and deeper I started looking into this, I saw that Islam is not just a beautiful religion, and that everything that they are saying in the news is completely not true. It is actually the opposite. It provides all the solutions to the problems in the West. And the things that I've mentioned so far are just the tip of the iceberg.